Hey guys, this is Matt from the Geek Circle with a Rubik's Cube. So I have built this Lego Mindstorm's robot. This is a Mindcuber. The design is by David Gilday. I'll put a link in the description to the Mindcuber website. This is Mindcuber 2.0 built with the Lego Mindstorm 2.0 kit. So I will start up the program here. It says insert cube. Put the cube on. It detects that the cube is there with the ultrasonic sensor. This is a light sensor detecting the colour of the stickers on the cube. This is a arm being able to move the cube in directions and twist the cube. And this is the platform for rotating the cube. It's currently saying processing and will soon have worked out the way to solve the cube. It says it will take 44 moves, so it's currently solving it. It sometimes does them. It kind of jams, so you just have to poke it and everything's solved. So you can't completely leave it alone. It's on 12 moves at the moment. So there's 3 motors involved in this. One for the arm, one for the turntable that holds the Rubik's Cube, and one for the colour sensor. Building instructions for this are available on mindcuber.com website. Again, I'll put the link in the description. "27 moves of 44. Another one of them trip-ups. It's where this bar locks and you have to just save it. "33 moves. "41 moves, 3 moves left, 2, 1 move left, and there you have it, solved Rubik's Cube. Thank you for watching, subscribe, like, see you later.